Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. When Apple officially detailed the future of Apple Intelligence, during its WWDC official event on June 8, 2026, it became obvious that mobile memory is the new currency of the smartphone tech world. If your device doesn't have enough RAM, it simply sits on the sidelines, while advanced on-device AI tools do the heavy lifting. A very reliable source, Apple is making worse upgrades in its iPhone 18 base model. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. This reality sent excitement through the tech community when early whispers hinted that the iPhone 18 base model would leap to a comfortable 12 gigabytes of RAM. Unfortunately, a major reality check just arrived from the supply chain. According to the latest news, Apple's base model iPhone 18 may ship with 9 gigabytes of RAM, instead of the 12 gigabytes, that was previously rumored, and that change raises fresh questions about support for iOS 27's most demanding AI features. A well-known tech analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo says, Apple plans to use an A20 chip with 9 gigabytes of RAM for the lower-end iPhone 18 models, likely including the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e, which are expected around March or April 2027. A 1 gigabyte bump over the current generation still sounds like a step in the right direction. However, it sits uncomfortably, what many consider the golden threshold for advanced AI processing. The report says that Apple will use 6 1.5 gigabyte dies for a total of 9 gigabytes of RAM, instead of the 2 gigabyte, 4 setup used in current lower-end iPhone 17 models. This matters because Apple's more advanced AI features require more memory, and the base iPhone 17 already misses some iOS 27 capabilities due to its 8 gigabytes of RAM. The move to 9 gigabytes suggests Apple wants the base iPhone 18 to handle more Apple Intelligence features without giving it the same 12 gigabytes RAM as the Pro models. Apple is expected to reserve 12 gigabytes RAM for the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and Foldable iPhone, which are rumored to launch earlier in the fall 2026. For buyers, the main concern is clear. The base iPhone 18 should support iOS 27's key AI features, but Apple's final feature list will decide how much that 9 gigabytes upgrade really matters. The high-end tier, which includes 2 iPhone 18 Pro variants and a foldable device powered by the A20 Pro chip, will hold firmly onto a more robust 12 gigabytes of RAM configuration. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.